Many of my friends are becoming obsessed with the deliciousness of Japanese kabocha, and today I'm going to be sharing the sweet and chewy kabocha mochi. As we enter the pumpkin season, let's enjoy it in a Japanese way. Let's get started. First things first, scoop out the seeds and the pulp with a spoon. Now, don't throw away the pulp. It's sweet and nutritious, so go ahead and use it with the rest of the kabocha. As for the seeds, squeeze them out. This can be sun-dried and roasted for a healthy snack later on. Next, cut the pumpkin into wedges and carefully shave off the skin. Be cautious. Kabocha is firm, so hold your knife steady and make sure your fingers are away from the blade. A sharp knife is essential for this job. I'm using the knife hocho in Japanese from Korean Knives in New York. I'll talk about more about this in my next video, so stay tuned. Now cut the kabocha into bite-sized pieces. I have about 250 grams today. You will need roughly half the weight of the mochiko, but this will depend on the moisture of your kabocha. You might need to add more or less to adjust as you go. Microwave the kabocha for 4 to 5 minutes until it's soft. Mash kabocha really well and don't forget to add a pinch of salt. This enhances the natural sweetness of kabocha. Next, combine the mochiko and mashed kabocha in stages. It's much easier to blend this way. The dough should be soft but not too sticky and not too stiff like bread dough. If it's too firm, your mochi will be tough and you don't want that. Now sprinkle some all-purpose flour on your working surface and roll out the dough. Cut into 12 equal portions. Then shape each piece into small flat discs. Heat your pan on medium-low heat, drizzle about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and place the mochi in the pan. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. Then, flip and cook for another 3 minutes. To make sure they are fully cooked and avoid that floury taste, I flip them one more time and cook for another 3 minutes. Once they are cooked, add some unsalted butter, sugar, and soy sauce to the pan. Turn the heat to low and reduce the sauce until it looks shiny and glossy. And there you have it! Your kabocha mochi is ready to serve. Transfer them to a serving dish and enjoy. I love the chewy texture and the natural sweetness from kabocha. The richness from the butter pairs so well with the kabocha flavor. I could eat these all day long. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious Japanese recipes. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!